it's cool. Stop moving.
It smells weird. Okay, ready? Let's put it right
Middle. So this is what it looks like so far.
I hope the slime doesn't fall out because it doesn't like stick to the wall.
Okay,
Which one do you want to do next?
Let's do your butter slime.
Well, this isn't really butter slime. Well, actually, it kind of is. My friend thought it was really good. I was like,
Okay. So this is not that good. I mean, it stretches good.
as we told you in the beginning, like, it's not going to be good slime.
This is kind of good. It stretches. Oh yeah, it's not good at all. Well, it stretches.
We still have the beach ball things.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's pop it
Wait,
right.
this is
in
what
the
it
middle.
looks like, but it's way bigger. So again, this is
Ooh, let's do this one. This one's pretty. Oh yeah, that feels funky.
I know. So it's cupcake frosting. I named it. It was mine.
Oh, that feels it's like watery.
I know.
This
All
one looks oh my god, I've never seen a slime that hard.
It doesn't even stretch.
Like, I'm not joking.
It's like the worst
like
one.
legitimately
Good,
a bounce.
good thing it's small. Wait, hold on. Why'd you make a bouncy ball? Oh,
No, that's just gonna fall apart.
it doesn't really stay. So we
let's-
have little bits on it.
Okay, let's do purple plum that Heidi named it.
Yeah.
So it's this purple sparkly one out of. Is this the baking soda one that you made?
Yes.
So Heidi made slime out of baking soda and
glue.
Oh yeah, and glue. Oh my
So
god, this
that-
has so many.
That might be another video.
That looks amazing.
That might be in.
It has so many air bubbles, but
That
it feels.
might be in a whole
It feels
other video.
so good.
We could make that in a whole other
Oh my
video.
god. It feels amazing.
It feels so good to just poke it, and unless you get the clear slime. The pink's like the pink literally it dyes the slime. So it was it's clear. Now it's pink. Oh,
Sorry.
she meant to hit
Okay.
to hit the slime.
Slime, but I hit her. This one feels okay. I think. Was this the one that was like in my desk drawer?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this one feels the same as the purple. It's actually kind of good.
Yeah.
Like barely.
But it's air bubbly.
Oh my god, it's so air bubbly. And that's what that texture. Like I've
This
never.
feels
had
like butter
slime.
slime. I think this is.
It probably is. I made this at Elizabeth's house. Shout out to
It's a
Elizabeth.
bouncy ball.
Let's do this purple one. This one's pretty.
I think no, that's mine.
Yeah, I'm doing like
The pink and the blues look really cool right there because it's like melted together.
This one's great.
I want to feel it. I'm kind of.
So again, this isn't a good slime.
You said that like.
Let's throw it in. Wait.
Oh. Yes.
First, we have a 5-second subscribe challenge. Let's see if you guys can subscribe and like this video in 5 seconds. Ready, set, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Okay, now let's add it. Boom! That was like totally just bounced out.
Okay, so if you subscribed, good job. You completed the challenge.
So if you did subscribe in time, then comment down below.
I
Hanging
did it.
with Heidi.
Or I did it.
No.
Hashtag.
Hanging with Heidi. You don't have to spell correct, and that doesn't really matter.
Heidi is Heidi.
So yeah.
That will be in the description. No,
No. What do you?
whatever. It'll just be somewhere. I saw that. This is. I like this blue.
Okay,
Oh,
milk.
oh wait. Look at the So this is the.
Sorry that we don't have our usual background up, like the color one that we use. We use it as a gymnastics mat because we don't really have a background.
But we might get one.
Yeah. Okay. So this one is gold and it is very pretty.
What was that called?
This reeks.
Can I smell it?
It's pretty. It's like the gold glitter glue doesn't smell good.
I'll smell it. That reeks. That smells like. It smells like cat food. But wait,
Smells like Miss Pat's cat food.
yeah, I smelled it.
It looks way more prettier, like not on camera. But
Happy over here!
oh gosh, why did you do that? Stop it.
So pretty.
Seriously,
I
I messed it all up.
Well, it's fine.
Okay, so let's add the gold.
I'm not.
Okay, you wanna do this one?
Yeah, I just don't want to touch
Did
that.
I make this one today? Oh, this one's hard.
Should I show it?
Oh, yeah, this is the white one that I had that was really good, and I added so many sparkles to it. I got these sparkles at Five Below because they were really cool. They were in these tiny bottles for $3, and they literally just color the slime. Like, this was like really white, and now it's like blue.
Yeah.
And the only sparkles that work are the pink ones, and pink is my least favorite color, so.
It looks more like blue on camera, but it's actually kind of white.
Okay. Oh god, this is the one that Heidi did not want to add because I don't think we're gonna play with this one.
Yeah.
So,
show it. It's called bubble gum.
literally just slips everywhere.
Yeah.
This one is disgusting.
So we're not even gonna touch it because we're not
Look.
gonna. Oh, because your hair got in the bowl.
There's literally bubbles in there. Like, look.
It's water. I just touched the green.
Okay, quit poking it. I'm messing it all up.
Yeah, and that's why I said we're not touching that. Okay, dump it in.
Well,
Yeah.
see all that shine on there? That's no glitter.
That's water.
Like water and soap.
That's more like contact solution.
Like, can't wait to mix this.
Oh, yeah, I'm not excited.
Oh, this one's pretty.
That's yours?
I made this one the same time that I made that white one, and it's hard.
Oh.
Like, my slimes usually turn out hard. I have some really good ones in my room that I am not mixing. No.
I picked. Oh, yeah. The ones that
She
you
picked out some that I made. She picked out one that I made for my friend today
But then I asked.
in my room, and then I was like, "Why do you have this?" She like, "Because you said to grab the slime from your room." I was like, No. I made that for my friend.
You have to stretch this really slowly.
Oh, this one. This one smells the same as the gold one. I use my mermaid sparkles, as I call them, because they're like holographic on one side and then purple on the other. This one's actually pretty good. There's kind of rips, but
Yeah, it is like holographic. On one side.
they're really pretty. Here, I'll take one of that.
It's
So it's kind of like greenish color. Here, hold on.
You can kind of feel the baking soda.
I can't show you guys. It's not working.
Sorry.
Because I can't get my hands on the light. Focus camera. There we go.
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
None of these.
Oh, well, I guess that's all of our slimes.
Oh.
Okay.
So this is what it looks like right now. It's
That's what it
really
looks
heavy.
like. Okay, let's mix it.
Oh my god.
Right. That's the pink one.
That's why I'm mixing over here. You get the pink side. It's kind of.
It's gonna be like a bluish purplish, I have a feeling.
Yeah, the blue's probably
Let's
gonna
stick
take
it up and just. Oh gosh. Ow, that poked me. Ready, set, pull.
I have no room over
I'm
here.
slipping. Slippy.
She has crutches.
So I can't walk
Or
by
like,
myself.
or like a crutch.
Yeah,
Oh, you can feel the pink right here.
I've been on crutches for a year.
Wait, hold on. I'm trying to rip this open. No, that's the butter slime and the pink.
Oh, this is heavy.
Workout. Wait. No, new workout. Oh.
No, here, ready? New workout.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And drop. It's a bounce. I found the pink. Found the cupcake frosting. It's so disgusting. Oh, I just felt the water.
Okay.
And I have
Oh, I can feel the pink all the way through there. Oh, yep.
Can I feel?
It feels like.
This is really. Oh, I feel your butter.
So I think we're done. I think it's pretty well mixed. So this is how it turned out. Like, it's not mixing at all. So that's our slime smoothie. So what do you have to say, Heidi?
Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what videos you want to see.
see.